Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Well, hey, how's it going, Ohio Valley? Overall for this weekend, a little bit warmer than average. May not be what you expected to kickstart the month of December. Now let's check in on our current satellite and radar. Where's the rainfall? Well, we had some special weather statements go out today due to thunderstorms. They were actually producing some pea-sized hail up towards northeastern Pittsburgh, but overall, it was a rainy type of day. That's how we closed out this weekend. We're not going to really start that way. We're going to start out with the cloud coverage for our Monday, but we will reintroduce this precipitation. Looking off to the west, still a little bit of moisture over there. Still some dry air down to the south. That's what's going to provide a little bit of sunshine through our Monday, but for those south of I-70. So it just depends on where you live as we step into this Monday and kickstart this work week. Winds definitely present today. We just talked about that a little bit earlier on in the show, looking over the Highlands cams. Definitely wind noticeable right around 15 to 25 miles per hour, but I have seen some gusts up to 30 miles per hour. So just keep that in mind as we kickstart that Monday. The low pressure system still making the atmosphere unstable, and that's going to continue as we head through your Monday, your Tuesday, and your Wednesday. So here's what's going on above us in the upper air pattern. We still have a sort of a southwesterly component over the east coast. That's what's allowing for warmer than average temperatures, but an all too familiar sight. Cold, dense air is continuing to push down through central United States and eventually making it to us as we head through your Monday and Tuesday. So Monday night, we're in for a chill, but heading closer to your Tuesday and Wednesday, check out how the winds shift to the northwest. I know you've heard me say it before. Gives that possibility to see some lake effect precipitation once again across the Ohio Valley. We'll have to stay put and see if we see that on our Tuesday night into Wednesday. But overall, 59 degrees. That's where we did manage to max out today, but after the rest of our day, we sort of toppled out in terms of temperatures. Still no record-setting heat or chill. Tomorrow morning, we wake up to temperatures in the upper 30s, but it's more so going to feel like the mid to lower 30s when you account for that wind chill. Now, temperatures, we're going to hover right around the lower 40s, upper 30s for much of this work week. It's not until we actually head into the Friday. Friday's actually looking like the best day this week, so if I had to take my pick, it's going to be Friday. Check it out. Predictor just showcasing cloud coverage across the board. Our cold front's going to continue to slide easterly. Now, I do want to point out something. We're right around that boundary layer where the warm and the cold are battling. And that's more so set up right over the lakes. Now, for tonight, they're going to have a dense fog advisory up towards the north. It's not us, but watch what happens as we move forward. It has a chance to push down a little bit, so those north and Jefferson, Hancock counties towards the northern panhandle, central and southeastern Ohio, we could see that dense fog starting to move in, but not until we head in closer to that Tuesday. Winds are a little bit too fast for the Monday, but they start to die down on Tuesday. Now, like we talked about, heading closer to your Tuesday into your Wednesday, the cold air funneling in from the northeast will allow for the chance to see mixed precip as we head through your Tuesday afternoon and evening as those temperatures fall closer to that freezing level. Now, the better chance to see that obviously is in the higher terrains and as we step into that Wednesday morning. So check it out. Here's your 7-day forecast. We're going to start out with a little bit of mixed precip, transition to the early hours of your Wednesday with some snow showers. It's not a whole lot of moisture, but it's still present. Thursday through Friday, sunshine does return, and then we kickstart your Saturday and Sunday a little all too familiar with some rainfall.